Hello, my revivers. Hello, hello, hello. I have a quick haul. It is that time of month, and this is a time where I want to snack, snack, snack. And we are purging and trying to get the house together. So therefore, yeah, your girl had to make some shortcuts, and you shall see what they are. So we're going to be having some garlic naan tonight, and we have some chicken tikka masala, fiery chicken curry, and some butter chicken. And if you like Indian food, you need to try these. And I've told a lot of my revivers about these from Trader Joe's many times. The bomb, the bomb, the bomb. Okay, the bomb. The best pre-made frozen Indian food I ever had, and I'm in love with these milk sweet cookies. So good. Not real sweet, just slightly sweet. If you like tea or coffee, the bomb. Okay, I need some alcohol, and I need some rollers because I'm going to be redoing a couple rooms, and I need to repaint them. And I'm missing some command strips. Okay, well, I have 2 packs. It's supposed to be these, and then there's the bigger ones. I needed some spray paint because I'm redoing my bread box. So I got 2 of the semi-gloss. And if you are a spray painter, they have a what is the word, promotion out, campaign right now with the Rust-Oleum. Is not gonna last long, where all the regular cans are now 25% more, and it's only gonna be for a little bit of time. So you want to go out and grab that. Got some wood putty because I'm doing the mirror in my half bath, and I'm gonna be changing it. And I need to, you know, putty up some cracks and holes, some painter's tape, some drop cloth, and then I also got a Mrs. Smith apple pie. If I want to cut shortcuts and don't want to make it, we love Mrs. Smith. My husband actually put this in the cart, so that led me to believe this is what he wanted. And we got some ices, a red, white, and blue, which is cherry, lime, and then blue raspberry and lime, the bomb. And then I got these 3 ice creams here: mint chocolate chip, vanilla for the pie, and some butter pecan. And then at Dollar Tree, they had these on sale for 50 cents. So I got 2 of those. And to get my sweet craving, so not to get my sweet craving, I got my chocolate, which is, this is my fave, that's Rizzy's fave, and that's my husband's favorite. We all kind of eat all that. So that's my little mini haul. And guess what? I wanted to also show you my new babies. This was $6.98, and it is a low to high light plant. So you basically can put this bad boy anywhere. And we're going to see how she works. This was $6. And then this I never seen before. Oh, this one here is called a Janet Craig. I don't, Dracaena or something like that. If you know about plants, you could tell me more. And this is called a bird's nest fern, and I thought that was too cute. This one was $10.99, and that one was $6.98. So those are going to be going in the new little area that I'm going to be redoing, and you guys will be seeing the video on that. But those are the 2 new plants, and that's my little mini haul. And I have another huge haul. I know I'm purging, but let me tell y'all, it's not, let me tell you, as if it's an excuse to bring more stuff in. It was a total blessing, because a lot of the stuff I purged, I said I will not buy unless I can fit it, I'm comfortable with it, and I really enjoy it. So I'm going to be having a massive haul, and let me tell you, God bless so tremendously. Y'all will not believe the stuff that I received and how much I freaking paid for what I'm going to show y'all. I don't know if I want to do it live or if I want to do it as a recording. Comment down below and tell me if I should do it live or if I should do it as a recording. I'm going to just give y'all one sneak peek of something that I got that is part of that haul. Hold on. Just a little sneak peek. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh my gosh. So that's a little mini haul of some of the goodies I got. And I got to put this ice cream up, and this is what we're having for dinner, because we're doing a lot of work around the house, and I'm getting prepared for a yard sale. Want to see? Yeah, getting prepared for a yard sale. Looks a hot mess. Trying to hide the hot mess of it is in the house. That's not a word, but anywho, yeah, your girl is like really excited and happy about some things today. So that's all I'm gonna say is I'm just woo-sign on it. And that is not a real plant. That's the one that used to be on my nightstand. And doesn't it look like it's real? Those are real. That is not, but I love it. And it came with a concrete planter, and I just bring it down here because y'all know I have the snake plants in my room. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini haul, and guess what? I'm coming with another one. So tell me if y'all want me to do it live so I can talk about the blessing and, you know, show y'all and talk as I go. Or if y'all want me to do it as a recorded one, just leave it below. All right. Later, gators.